Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw cash from your OnePay account using an app. So let's get started. First, only go iPhone and open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Cash Control at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on Move Money. Once you are in, you will see two options: internal transfer or to another bank. Tap on to another bank, then type the amount and then tap Continue. Once you continue, now choose how you want to withdraw your cash. Common options may include debit card, credit card, or bank account. Select the option that works best for you. Make sure the amount is within your available balance, then tap Continue or Confirm. Review the details on the screen and tap Submit. If you are using an ATM, follow the on-screen instruction to receive your cash. You will also see a confirmation message in the app. And that's it. You have successfully withdrawn cash from OnePay using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.